Let me show you how to use wired earphones or headphones on your Google Pixel 10 and also 10 Pro. So unfortunately on these phones we actually do not get a headphone jack, which is a bit ridiculous. So there are two main ways how we actually do it. First, you can simply get wired earphones or headphones that already come with Type-C, and we can actually plug them directly. And again, so in this way, if you get such earphones, there won't be any negatives that usually comes with Bluetooth stuff, such as having to recharge them, and also like latency issues as well. And the second way is we can simply get like adapter like this, which essentially converts Type-C to 3.5 jack. As you see, if I actually plug in my Type-C port over here, so connect my earphones, I will actually be able to use these my old earphones essentially with this phone. And also pretty much all functions work if you actually get decent enough quality. By the way, if you are looking to get this adapter, in the description I'll include a link where you can pick it up basically on AliExpress for literally like $2. That also is free shipping as well. And also again, so if you purchase these, also make sure these are actually compatible with voice calls as well, because some of them actually aren't. So be careful when actually purchase these. Also, some of these actually are basically prone to actually falling out very easily. So basically in this part, basically a lot of cheap ones basically fall out essentially very easily. So these ones particularly, which I have here, are actually decent enough. So yeah, I think it's a bit ridiculous they do not actually give us like physical headphone jack on these phones, because it's so much better basically than actually having to use adapters like these. Anyway, good luck.